In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run income by customer report in QuickBooks. This report is perfect when you want a clear snapshot of how much revenue each customer brings in over a given period. It's great for identifying your top accounts, spotting trends, and guiding follow-ups with clients who may be slowing down. Let's get started inside QuickBooks Online. Make sure you're signed in to the correct company and that you have permission to view reports. If your business has multiple entities, double-check the company name in the upper left before moving on so you don't pull data from the wrong file. From the left-hand navigation, open the Reports section. This is your reporting hub, where QuickBooks groups the most commonly used financial and sales reports. If your report list is long, use the search bar at the top of the Reports page and start typing Income by Customer to find it quickly. Next, open Income by Customer Summary. The summary version shows a clean, consolidated total of income per customer rather than listing every single transaction. When it loads, you'll see a column of customers with their totals for the selected date range. Think of this as your high-level revenue leaderboard by client. Now, click Customize. This is where you fine-tune the report so it answers the exact question you have. Start with the report period to define the time frame you want to analyze, such as this month, last quarter, or a custom date span. You can also set the accounting method to cash or accrual depending on how your books are maintained to ensure the totals align with your financial statements. Still in Customize, review the rows and columns options to control how the data displays. Filters let you narrow the report to just certain customers or income accounts if you want to focus on a specific segment. Display settings help with sorting, decimals, and other readability tweaks, so the report is easy to scan and share internally. At the top of the report, use the columns controls to adjust how totals are broken out. For example, you can switch from a single total column to columns by month or quarter to see seasonality and momentum at a glance. Pair that with the date range menu to zoom in on a key sales push or compare year-over-year patterns in one view without leaving the report. And that's it. You've opened QuickBooks, pulled the Income by Customer Summary, customized it to your needs, and refined the view using the column options at the top. Use this report regularly to track customer performance, prioritize outreach, and measure the impact of your sales and service efforts over time.